Hi guys, welcome back. We are sitting right now in Caffe Florian in the middle of St. Mark's Square. I know it's the typical touristy thing to do, but hey, we're tourists, right? So we decided to do it. So far, the experience has been wonderful, and we're sitting here. They do charge an upcharge, $6 a person, just to be able to listen to the music and sit outside. So you do, incur that if you decided to come here and do that. But honestly, the ambiance makes it worth it to us. It all depends on what's worth it for you. But for us, I think it was definitely worth it just to relax and enjoy the atmosphere with the music playing. It's been beautiful. And we just did previously the St. Mark's tour, the Basilica Church, and Doge's Palace. We did that whole tour. So I do have a separate video for that, which I will share with you. But definitely just wanted to share with you our Caffe Florian experience. And we just ordered a couple of items, so we'll share that with you as soon as they come out. Beautiful, thank you. So we got some food. So the first one, I got the frozen Florian. So it's basically like a frozen coffee. They brought some olives for us. He got a prosciutto on a croissant. I also got this beautiful strawberry gelato creation here, and they brought some chips and a prosecco. So voila, we're going to dig in right now. I'll come back with an update. I'll take this one. And then there's a piece first.
We need to somehow find a way to move to so that we have matches.
Guys, okay, just back with an update. Everything that we ordered was absolutely delicious. Yeah, I finished out the ice cream. There's nothing left in the bowl. The gelato was amazing. It was like vanilla and strawberry gelato with big chunks of strawberries, and it was so delicious. And it was like topped with like this like thick whipped cream. It was so good. Anyway, yeah, he loved his prosciutto croissant. He said it was the best he's ever had. It wasn't like in the US you get like the imported prosciutto at the grocery store. This is like the best. So that was really good. And yeah, we're just kind of taking in the atmosphere and enjoying the music playing, and yeah, just chilling out for an afternoon in Venice in St. Mark's Square. It's pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode. More to come. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay guys, it is gondola time. It's amazingly beautiful here. So got on this gondola and we're doing a little tour around Venice. Come on,